Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Lovestruck effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then click on a video effect. And at the menu, you can click on headwear. This one. Click on it and swipe down until you can see Lovestruck effect. This one, you can click on it and then click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter and then for the size, for the color, and then for the intensity. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add Lovestruck effect on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.